Welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom. A viewer asked about the Asherknives, and here it is. We're going to take a look at it. First and foremost, I want to actually point out one of my favorite features, and that is the reversible pocket clip. It actually sits inside the scale, has minimal hardware, and is extremely easy to switch from side to side. So this knife is extremely lefty and righty friendly. The Asherknives is a beautiful titanium EDC knife that combines a sleek and stylish, really thin and slicey S35VN blade steel. Amazing raw titanium pivot. Sits at about 7.4 inches total length. Blade length is about 3.2 inches. Enjoyable liner lock with fantastic jimping and grip there, just enough so you can get it with your thumb on the other side. Really enjoyable ergonomics, the way it sits in your hand. Just fantastic action with those ceramic cage bearings. Really enjoyable. The attention to detail with the placement of the jimping and the way the blade and the scales are designed just put the Asherknives on the next level. I mean, it's like a +5 base stat coolness increase right there. So sit back, relax, and enjoy some B-roll content here with some paper slicing. What a stunning and fantastic design, in my opinion. I think the Asherknives speaks for itself, and, well, I speak for Tactical Llama EDC when I say fantastic knife, fantastic design, and I highly recommend it. I highly recommend any and all the Asherknives, so thanks for tuning in. Carry your personality.